whenever anybody joins in, then I give the previous batch case study video, because a student is afraid that what is a case study, whether I will be able to pass or not, what is the exam structure and all that. I give the previous term case study to every student, whether it's Sajid, whether it's Neera, whether it's Somen, everybody. और मैं बार बार बोलते रहता हूं, आप केवल ये 2-3 वीडियो एक बार देख लीजिए, इसमें आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन पैटर्न, व्हाट इज। तो अगर उसको करेंगे तो ये क्वेश्चन साजिद जी अभी नहीं आएगा कि भाई केस स्टडी एग्जाम है क्या, कोर एरिया है क्या, लेकिन एक बार भी बात नहीं सुनते हैं तो प्रॉब्लम होती है ना उसमें। तो पहले बात ये कर रहे हैं कि व्हाट इज द एग्जाम स्ट्रक्चर। एग्जाम इज 150 मार्क्स एग्जाम based on the pre-scene, which I said in these extra classes which I am running on Monday, Wednesday, in the Monday first class. फिर भी अगर वो नहीं किए, जो वीडियो पहले दिए गए वो भी नहीं किए, तो भी अभी वहीं खड़े हैं, तो ये प्रॉब्लम है। तो ये थोड़ा सा सुधारना है, मेरा एडवाइस है भाई। मेल दे रहा हूं, समझा रहा हूं, बता रहा हूं, व्हाट्सएप मैसेज कर रहा हूं, वॉइस मैसेज दे रहा हूं, लेकिन एक बार भी उन बातों को नहीं मानना है, तो इन दैट केस प्रॉब्लम होती रहेगी, क्योंकि हम लोग वहीं खड़े रहेंगे ना, आगे बढ़ेंगे कैसे। So exam is 150 marks exam, not 100 marks, based on the pre-scene material. The pre-scene material is released by the SEMA Institute 40 to 45 days before the exam. In that pre-scene material, they are talking about a particular industry. In that industry, a particular organization. The name of the organization is hypothetical. There is no practically that name organization. The place where that organization is located is hypothetical. And the name of the directors, NED, EDs and all that are hypothetical. But otherwise, whatever the data given, what product they are selling, how the industry is growing, their financials, they have been taken from all practical organizations. But they are not mentioning the name of the actual organization. But the research is done practically and that material is given to us. That is not a question paper. That is not a comprehension. You were talking about ACCA, I think. So not ACCA or SEMA. Every student, from every topic which we are discussing technically, 1 or 2 questions we should be trying in writing. And then see the model answer, evaluate yourself so that technically you become better. And then you can say your student, those who are ACCA, they will be doing all these questions which we will be doing in the case study classes of SEMA. And then when these students, I will finish on 19th, because after 19th SEMA student not need to attend. Then I will be going into mock papers of ACCA also, that 4 hours exams and all that. Then we will be discussing your paper also. But if we do this by 28th of November, then you are very well prepared for giving and passing the strategic money, ACCA strategic business leader case study exam. हर्ष ठक्कर, अभी देखते हैं सर, 1 सेकंड नहीं मिला ना। हर्ष ठक्कर, मेल आईडी क्या है सर? आप 1-2 दिन पहले, मेरे ख्याल से मैंने उसी टाइम पे खुद ही दिया है, फिर भी चेक कर लेता हूं, मे भी मिस्टेक हो सकता है। ठाकर, ठाकर, सीमा, class slides, this is I have given. Then this is your registration with SEMA Institute. आप सही बोल रहे हैं सर, मैंने आपको नहीं दिया, बहुत खराब हूं मैं, आई एम वेरी बैड सर, सॉरी सॉरी सर। ऐसे एनी हाउ आई विल बी गिविंग आफ्टर द क्लास टू एवरीबडी, डोंट वरी। जो भी मैं क्लास में दिखाऊंगा, पढ़ाऊंगा, इट विल बी देयर विथ ऑल ऑफ यू, बट आई हैव नॉट गिवन, इट्स माई फॉल्ट, आई एम वेरी बैड सर, सॉरी, आई एम एक्सेप्टिंग माई मिस्टेक, सॉरी। सो आई विल गिव, डोंट वरी, बट आई मीन टू से दैट कि जो एसीसीए और सीमा स्टूडेंट है सबको सेम पढ़ना है, कोई अलग नहीं है। ये फर्स्ट क्लास का रिकॉर्डिंग अगर आप विशाली करोगे तो मैंने फर्स्ट क्लास में 2-3 घंटा केवल यही बोला है कि कॉमन सिलेबस, पेपर स्ट्रक्चर, ये सब कि किसी सीमा के लिए अलग नहीं है। नहीं तो वाई आई एम आस्किंग सीमा स्टूडेंट टू अटेंड मंडे वेडनेसडे क्लासेस, वाई आई एम आस्किंग यू टू अटेंड दिस क्लासेस विच इज यू कैन से मेनली डिवोटेड फॉर सीमा। मैं तो दोनों को सब में बुला रहा हूं और मैंने मेल में लिख कर दिया है कि एसीसीए स्टूडेंट शुड नॉट थिंक दैट दिस इज फॉर सीमा, आई शुड नॉट अटेंड, आई शुड नॉट ज्वाइन, आई हैव रिटन दैट। अरे सर ऐसे कैसे यार, बहुत सारे नए लोग हैं, आप पहले एग्जाम दिए हुए हो, ये लोग कभी एग्जाम नहीं दिए हैं, तो एक बार पूरा तो बताना होगा ना, नहीं तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा और नहीं तो मेरा माथा खराब करेंगे बाद में यार। सो व्हाट आई एक्चुअली क्या हो रहा है कि बीच बीच में आप लोग पूछते जा रहे हैं ना, अगर आप लोग एक बार थोड़ा सा 10-15 मिनट शांत रहेंगे तो मैं सब कुछ कवर कर दूंगा। फिर पूछने के लिए मैं बोलूंगा एनीथिंग एनीबडी हैज, कोई का कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, लेकिन बाद में जरूर आएगा क्योंकि फिर रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं करेंगे। So I am saying that कि the CIMA case study exam is based on this pre-seen material, which is around 25 to 30 pages approx, which is not giving you any direction that what question they will ask, which area the question. It is just giving you a knowledge. And they are saying that don't think at an exam. You are the senior finance manager of the company. You are the board member's right hand, left hand. And you know everything what is happening in the company's financials, the company's position, competitors, market, business model, what is going in the industry, what is happening in the social media, everything you know. And by that you need to help your board members in taking right decision. So when exam will be there, in the exam there will be 3 questions. Every question will be of 60 minutes. Question means there will be at least around 2 pages write-up. 1 page, somebody is mailing, that means senior finance manager is receiving mail from CFO, receiving mail from CEO, receiving mail from any non-executive director, that they are saying something, some opportunity, some problem, some risk, that mail is saying. But why that problem arises, why that opportunity arises, a reference material given for that. That how this thing arises. And based on that, they are asking you either 2 generally or 3 questions. You will be reading the mail, you will be reading the reference material, and then if there are generally 2 questions, you need to write the answers for the 2 questions in 11 font size within 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, you are already giving time in reading the scenario, reading the mail, reading the reference material, reading the requirement. I generally understand as a common student, maybe very brilliant, out of 60 minutes, he will be taking 10 minutes, he or she will be taking 10 minutes to read the scenario, to read the unseen portion. Unseen means on the day of exam. And then based on that, you will plan your answer and you will write your answer. So you are getting time around 45 to 50 minutes to write the answer, typing time. If there are 2 questions, one is 40%, one is 60%. So your time involvement will be, say you are able to write the answer 45 minutes. So 45 into 40%. तो फिर एग्जाम कैसे होएगा? प्री सीन से थोड़ी ना एग्जाम होएगा। और फिर ये दिस इज नॉट कॉम्प्रीहेंशन टाइप, दैट वॉट एवर इज रिटन इन द कॉम्प्रीहेंशन द आंसर्स आर रिटन देयर ओनली। इट इज नॉट दैट वे। मैंने आपको इतना तो हर्ष जी है, मैंने आपको सीमा का जो एग्जाम स्ट्रक्चर है उसका वीडियो दिया था कि भाई इस वीडियो को देखिए तो आप समझ पाओगे, लेकिन आप वो नहीं देखे हो, व्हाट्सएप में है वो। तो उसमें तो ये मैंने बोला है, फर्स्ट क्लास में ये मेरे को बोलना ही पड़ता है। ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम। लेकिन एक बार शांत, नहीं मालूम है तो अभी तो मैं बोल ही रहा हूं, टेंशन नहीं है, ठीक है। एक और बात, एवरीबडी शुड चैट इन द चैट बॉक्स, एवरीवन, नॉट पर्सनल चैटिंग, because otherwise others will not be able to understand. In the chat box below it is written to, beside to there is a drop down arrow, click drop down arrow, select everyone in the meeting and then only we should chat, because otherwise everybody will not be on the same page. सो व्हाट आई मीन टू से दैट, एक बार मेरे को बोल लेने दीजिए यार, अच्छा रहेगा, आप लोग को अच्छा लगेगा और कुछ क्वेश्चन बचेगा ही नहीं, बिलीव करिए। नहीं तो मैं अलग अलग बीच में जवाब देते रहूंगा और जो टाइम 10 मिनट है वो 25 मिनट लग जाएगा। रिक्वेस्ट है, इच्छा आप लोग की है। सो मेरा व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग दैट 45 मिनट्स, बिकॉज अभी मैं बोल रहा था वही इंपॉर्टेंट है, वहीं रोक दिए, मान लीजिए मैं भूल गया, तो इन दैट केस कंफ्यूजन बाद में रहेगा। 60 मिनट्स टाइम, out of 60 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes gone in reading, in planning the answer, in reading the requirement, in reading the reference material. So I am getting 45 minutes to write the answer. And there are two questions, one is 40%, one is 60%. So 45 into 40%, 18 minutes I will be taking in the 40% portion, and balance 45 minus 18, 27 minutes I will be taking in 60% answer. In 18 minutes, my length of the answer should be 18 into 1.5. 18 into 1.5, around 25 to 30 lines. And in 27 minutes, 27 into 1.5, that is around 40 lines. That means the total length of the answer will be around 65 to 70 lines. If you say that I can type very fast, I can type 80-90 lines, very well. If you say that my typing speed is not good, you need to work. वर्क मतलब ये नहीं कि टाइपिस्ट बन जाएंगे। रेगुलरली व्हेन यू राइट द आंसर्स, ट्राई टू टाइप मोर एंड मोर। रेगुलरली व्हेन यू स्टडी, टाइप इट सो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज कर पाओगे आप। बट इफ योर लेंथ ऑफ द आंसर इज लेस देन 60 लाइन्स, इट इज बैड। इट शुड नॉट बी लेस देन 60 लाइन्स। 65-70 is average. You can write more than average, but less than 60 lines will be less length. Normally, quantity is not the criteria, quality of the answer. But then if adequate quantity is not there, then quality will never come. That you will realize when you write the answers. इसीलिए 60 lines से कम नहीं चलेगा. You have to have the speed that in 60 minutes, whatever the requirements are given, you should be able to type 60, 65, 70 lines. Many times it happens that, suppose in the 2 requirement, the 40% portion requirement, that 40% requirement you know very well. And suppose the 60% you don't know that well, you are in confusion, you are not getting what to write. So many times students are writing that 40% requirement answer, 40% requirement answer for out of 45 minutes, 40 minutes. And then they are writing for 60% only 5 minutes. This is very bad. Because out of 40% marks, suppose one question is of 50 marks. 50 into 40% is 20 marks. You cannot be given out of 20, 40 marks. But the balance 60%, which is 30 marks, you are not writing anything. You are writing just 4 lines. That means we should be ready. We cannot pass the exam. Because if one question out of 3 is not average, in the other 2 questions you cannot score 50 out of 50. Because it is not balance sheet total, or it is not 2 plus 2, 4. The highest marks in the world, around 110 to 120. That's world rank 1, 2, 3 I'm telling. So in that case you need to understand, you need to perform on an average for every question. So even though you don't know the 60% portion, but you need to give adequate time to write that answer. Maybe in 40%, since you know more, in place of 18 minutes, you take 20 minutes. But 25 minutes, you should be giving to the 60% question anyhow. Normally, when we read the requirement and we understand what exactly they are asking, it is 90% chance that I will pass the exam. Maybe I am not able to write so much, but if I am writing totally wrong answer, what they are asking in the requirement, my answer is not related with that. Maybe I am writing very well, but it is not related with the requirement. Laddu, 0. So one problem with the students, institute is saying, not I am saying, institute is saying, even in ACC, SBL also, the student is writing something which is not asked in the question. No marks for that. And the second thing, the problem, the length of the answer is very short. That it is not adequate. The student may be knowing the thing, but he is not able to place that thing on the paper. on the write-up. So for that reason, the student couldn't pass. The third thing, on the basis of the pre-seen material, institute prepare 6 to 7 sets of paper, question paper, unseen portion paper are 6 to 7 papers. Earlier they were preparing 5, now they are preparing 6 to 7 papers, which they are saying as variant. So when the students are giving exam 3 days, I think it is 26, 27, 28 November, you can give exam on any day. And each day, so many students from all over the world are giving exam. Any student can get any set of question paper, variant 1, variant 2, anything. It's luck. Even institute is not doing anything. When you log in, any one variant will open. Which variant will open, we don't know. But all the variants are not of the same standard. Some of the variants are very difficult, the question level. Some of the variants are easy, and some of the variants are middle level. Now, it is not logical to test the knowledge of different students on the basis of different difficulty of the paper. So they say that the marks which is announced to the student, they are the weighted average marks. If it is an easy variant, whatever marks you will obtain, that will be multiplied by a weight, say 90%, 95%. If it is a difficult variant, whatever marks you will obtain, they will be multiplied by 110%. 105. I don't know, institute has never said, and they will not disclose which variant in the past exam was difficult, which variant was easy. For that reason, sometime a student scored 79. This time one student in operational level scored 79. He is asking me, sir, aisa hota hai? Sir, you understand, if you would be checking my copy and you are saying that, sir, I am getting 79, will you not give me 80? But problem क्या है कि जो मैं first class में बोलता हूं वो तो ध्यान देना ही नहीं है. If you are checking copy of anybody, you will never give 79. So the examiner has not given 79 to the student. Whatever marks the student has secured, actual, maybe 75, maybe 85, maybe 83, that was multiplied by a weight percentage. And after multiplication, the weight percentage, that marks is announced to the student. There is no person who has given you 79 and the pass marks is 80. So it's a bad luck, but wo ho gaya. The marks announced by the institute are weighted average marks. So don't panic when you are getting a difficult variant, and don't dance when you are getting an easy variant. Because accordingly, institute has set the weightage for different papers. Last thing, when we are giving exams, since this is social media age, WhatsApp group, this, that and all that are there, I will advise everybody, आप कोई सोशल मीडिया पे ये सब मत सुनिए कि ये क्वेश्चन आया था, ये आया था. वो खाली आपको ये बोलेगा द क्वेश्चन वाज ऑन मर्जर, द क्वेश्चन वाज ऑन वैल्यूएशन. उससे आपका कोई फायदा नहीं है. अरे आपके सिलेबस में मर्जर, वैल्यूएशन ये सब है, तो क्वेश्चन तो आएगा ना उसके ऊपर. वी विल डिस्कस इन लेंथ इन द क्लास. सो यू विल जस्ट वेस्ट योर टाइम बाय डिस्कसिंग विथ अदर्स. सिसिर, यू मे रिमेंबर, कोई फायदा नहीं है उसमें. आप केवल पजल्ड हो रहे हैं. उससे बढ़िया इफ यू रिमेन ओपन एंडेड एंड एट द सेम टाइम you may be getting only one variant, some questions detail, other variants anyhow you don't know. कौन सा variant आएगा, क्या आएगा, you need to be open ended. Our purpose is that whatever will come in exam, I should be able to write a good answer. Not that I will be connecting in social media, different groups and all that. Even SEMA Institute is also controlling whether anybody is doing unfair means. So they have recently cancelled some of the registration also. So I will advise, don't involve into this. Be open-minded, because there is no limit for the questions which they can make. Business problems are not synchronized or not limited to some areas. They are endless. We are not taking the class that I can do the question which will be coming in the exam. Question will be different. But the areas which we are going to discuss, they will be same. And if you study properly, then in that case, you are easily going to pass the exam. Because 80% pass percentage is not bad. So for that reason, that's the story of the SEMA case study exam. So from the first day, if you are still taking printout, because most of the students, I say 100 times, sir, can I get physical material? Sir, I will pay you extra. Arey, you pay you millions rupees, then also I will not give physical material. You need to study on screen. You need to, in the exam, read the question on screen. You need to type on the screen. So if you don't make, because maybe we are working, But exam we have given pen and paper based. That habit we have not developed, that looking at the screen. And these, anybody who has taken classes, Aarti, then anybody जो पहले से पढ़ रहे हैं वो ये बात समझ सकते हैं. But those who are new, maybe hers, maybe कोई भी, then वो उनको ये फील नहीं आएगा. उनको लगेगा मेरा तो आदत है, I like that only, take print out, underline. You will destroy yourself. No print out, nothing. Study on screen, practice always in typing, automatically speed will come. And continuously write answers. Automatically you will improve. Because हम लोग सब कोई बुद्धिमान है. We all very easily can pass. But to pass, we need to give efforts. If we put our efforts, there is no problem of passing in November exam.